What's up, everybody? I'm Eric. You're watching Only Detailers today. Behind me will be applying ceramic coating to the windshield of this 1958 MGA Roadster. We have Diamond Protect glass ceramic coating. It comes with the glass prep and of course the coating. You're going to get 3 to 5 windshields out of it. It'll last up to 12 months. When applying it, you want to shake it up for about 15 seconds. Make sure it's well shook before applying. Once applied, you want to let it sit on the windshield for about 10 to 15 minutes before polishing it off. Let's get started. Very easy to do, just wipe on, wipe off. Both sides of the windshield here. There's a few features of the coating. It is a 9 hard coat. It is chemical resistant. Helps prevent from scratches. Very easy to apply. Got the windshield all clean, pretty easy to do. Spots here. Grab our applicator here and shake it up one more time. Dabble it in the middle of the applicator here. Kind of a taco effect here. Back and forth, very easy. Grab the other side here. And that's it. Again, let it sit about 10-15 minutes before wiping it off. Make sure this is closed. Also too, the next time you go to use it, make sure this is clean, because if not, and you dabbling it on here, the residue that gets on here can scratch the windshield. Make sure to go online, check Diamond Protect out on the website. They have various coatings from body to windshield, and we will see you in the next video.